The lady we bought the farm from remembers a spring at the corner of what is now the grain barn. The well at the house has barely enough water for her and for the pigs. So I'm going to dig and see if I can find this spring. But first, I'm going to use these and see what they tell me. The rod's cross here, telling me there's something on this spot. It's kind of weak though. It's not a very strong signal. So I'm going to try different angles and see if I get a stronger point here. Maybe over here a little bit. There's something here. Don't know what, but it's worth a dig.